Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Box. Tracy here, and as you can see, I've got a little box of goodies. Well, not so little box of goodies to open. Here it is, and I think, to be honest with you, it's going to be easier to get into the bottom. Possibly. I don't know if it's wise though to open it from the bottom. Anyway, this is the cutest stuff that a crocheter or knitter, a crafter, has ever seen. I'm going to try my best to get into this box without committing sort of some kind of awful, you know, not easy. It's really not easy. Oh, there we go. I'm kind of in there. Right, let's turn it. Not a lot of room to manoeuvre. Okay. And we can get rid of the tape along there and maybe make a start. While I'm struggling with this, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So this is some really mega cute stuff, and some time ago I did a yarn quest, and I went to one of their stores and I found these, and I can show you mine. Just look at that. Isn't it the most adorable thing that you've ever seen? It is a sheepy. Now this one does hold, you can put knitting needles in it or crochet hooks, as you can see, but it holds all your little accessories and notions, and I just love the little tail. But isn't it cute? Oh my god. So I bought some of these because as I was buying it, I thought, hang on a minute, that's the same brand of crochet hook that, and remember that a while ago I bought some lantern moon crochet hooks, interchangeable knitting needles and Tunisian hooks for my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk. Well, same brand, so I thought maybe I can get them as well, and I can. And they come in this really cute little organza bag to keep them all safe and secure. And this one's called Sherpa. So I got some Sherpas. I don't know if I've got anything to put it into. Just hold on a sec while I get a bag. I'm back, and I have a really big bag with strawberries on it that I do use a lot for taking yarn in and out when I'm doing bits and pieces. So I got some of these for my shop, and I got quite a few actually. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that the same? No, I've got 5. I thought I got 6, but then there might be some a little bit further in. More packaging. Okay, so I also, maybe they didn't have them all, or maybe they're hiding. Maybe not. Okay, maybe I did drop it down to 5, I don't know, but I thought I got 6. So the other one is this little lady, and oh my god, these are so cute. So they come in the little organza bag as well, if I can open it, that is. It's done with a nice little knot there, that's it, to keep her safe and snug and secure. Wait till you see this. I just love this one. It's called Barbs, or Babs. Babs. Look, she's actually making a little project. Look, here she is. She has a little dress, and she's making a little project, and she's got space to put bits and bobs in, but she is adorable. I don't want to undo all of this because it does have a long kind of tape where you can attach her to things. So, and you can put all the little bits and bobs in her apron as well. It's just so cute. There she is. It's Babs. That's Babs. I just love her little project and a little bag. Look at that. You can think how thin that yarn must have been to make that. It's so cute. I love that one. So I got a few Sherpas and a few Babs. couldn't resist them. They're just adorable. So let me find one, or the actual picture. So yeah, there you go. There's a picture of the scissors attached to the tape and all of the little accessories. Oh, that is just adorable and cute and lovely. Look, a little dress and a little project. Honestly, as soon as I saw them, I thought, I have got to get these. I just love them so much. Right, so I'm going to put that one back. Just tie it back and do a little bow. And oh, that's not all I got, by the way. I got more, and there's more. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Possibly one might be for me. Let's see. What's this? Oh, I've got some more bag handles. And yeah, there's a few bag handles. I might make some bags with handles like this myself. So I got some more bag handles, and I got black ones and white ones. Well, hey, I like them because they're nice and wide. The actual strap holder part where you can put, you know, attach the bag on, it's nice and wide, and so it won't pull it out and make it iffy. So I got those. I did get some of those before. And what's that? Well, that's just one of those thingies to keep it, you know, what's the word, the gel that you get. So I bought some individual Lantern Moon crochet hooks. Now, I can't remember if I just got a whole set for me or if I got several to put in my shop. But I bought all of these hooks, individual hooks, because I did have the sets, but I understand that not everybody wants to go for a whole set straight out. You might want to sort of try just one hook. And obviously the fatter ones, it doesn't matter that they're not ergonomic if you're used to ergonomic, because they are quite fat to hold. But I tell you what, I did use these. I bought a 4.5 last time, and they are absolutely lovely to work with. So I've got a feeling this is just more of the same. These might be the smaller ones. Yeah, see, there's more. I bought quite a lot of different sizes. I've got, can't really see it, to be honest with you. Can't figure out where the size is. You can probably see it better than I can there. So I've got lots of sizes anyway, and I wanted to give them a go, as well as get some individuals in case other people wanted to give them a go but didn't want to go plump straight for the actual set, because, you know, as we know, crochet hook sets, Tunisian hook sets and all of those things can be a little expensive. And then I decided I wanted to try these Knit Pro J'adore cubics. These are knitting needles, and I'm very, very fussy when it comes to my knitting needles. I'm so fussy, but when I say fussy, this is the knitting needles that I use. Bog standard, old fashioned, not sharp, mums. These were my mother's well used hooks, needles, and I have a whole bunch, a big wad of them out there in the yarn of and so they're the ones I go for, and they've probably got old sizing, so you can't even really, I don't really know. I've got a sizer and I just pop it in if I need to know, but I'm so fussy when it comes to knitting needles. They can't be sharp, they can't be, I like them. I like these. So it's what I learnt on, and it's what I've always used. So the crochet hook was so nice that I wanted to try an ebony, but these are square, and you see that they're called cubits, and they are cube shaped. So I thought, no, that's novel. I want to see what they're like. So I got those for me, to be honest with you. Again, they're ebony, and they are very, very slippy. And they've got, they've got the little sheepy on. Look, it's so cute. But yeah, this is these are Knit Pros. I want to give these a go myself, so those I bought for me. There might be another set. There's something in here. What's that? I've got a little present. Look at that. And I'm on a low carb diet, so I know one little boy who'll probably get those. So I've got a leaflet. I don't know what the leaflet's about. Save the date, so it's a knitting show or something. But I got some yarn this time. Oh yes, I did. And I got, instead of an organza bag, I got one of these plastic bags with a drawstring, which I've not used or seen that before. But, and I've got a knot. That's not very good, is it? Oh, hang on. I've still got a knot. How am I going to get in? I don't want to cut it because it's quite nice to have a little drawstring bag, but I don't think I'm going to be able to save it. Even if I paused it, possibly. Oh, hang on. Hey, that worked out. I don't quite know what I did, but I pulled the right thing. So what I got was some hand-dyed yarn. And, oh, isn't that lovely? This is all 4-ply, UK 4-ply, so sport weight yarn. I'm going to need the neck light for these. And I wanted to give them a go because if you've been sort of watching me for a long time, you'll know that I wanted hand-dyed yarn in my shop, but some of the home dyers and everything are so expensive that I couldn't really put them in my shop. I'd feel bad sort of having those kind of prices, to be honest with you. But this is a 4 weight. No, it's not, surely. That says 0. You would dry it flat. You've got to, hang on a minute. Why would you dry it flat and then it says iron? I don't get that. That's a bit of an odd one. Anyway, let me have a look at this. I'm not used to these labels. This is Symphony by Knit Pro and it's called Terra. 75% wool superwash merino and 25% nylon. 100 grams, which will give you 380 meters, 415 yards, and it says fingering. It says fingering, but we call this 4-ply. So, and I always thought that 4-ply was a sport weight, but you guys have got so many different names across the pond for your lace weight, fingering, sport weight yarns that I get a bit confused by it all. But look at these colours, and that is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Now there is supposed to be a colour name on here, or is Terra what it is? Is it? Strangers in the Night it's called. I remember now, and as soon as I saw it, Strangers in the Night, which makes me want to burst into song, but I won't put you through it. So I got 1, 2, 3 Strangers in the Night. So there's 3 of those. And I got this one. Oh, I think this is called something Chilies. Isn't it gorgeous? That colour. It's so rich. It's ever so soft. It's ridiculously soft. Really is beautiful. Where is the colour? Dried Chilies. This is made in India, by the way, this yarn. Absolutely beautiful. Really is gorgeous. I've got a little strand of where it's attached there, but it is beautiful. I really, really like this. Oh, so I got 1. Let's empty it out. I did ask for, I think, 3. That's it. I got 1, 2, 3 of those. So let me just check. Is this Terra? It is. So the size, the amount of yards and all that should, in theory, be the same, shouldn't it? It should indeed. So it's got a different symbol, which is weird. That is bizarre, but I don't have that one that looks like a 0 on this one. Do I have the yards? Maybe this side. Yeah, 380 meters, 415 yards, 75 superwash merino, 25% polyamide. That's dried chilies. Oh, I love that one. That is absolutely fandabidorsy. Then I've got this one. And this is more of a rainbow vibe. I've got 1, 2, 3 of these as well. Aren't they gorgeous? Aren't they just? So this is a little experiment for me. I've not gone into this before. But again, it's Terra and all the same details. But the colour for this one is called Party Lights. And it is, isn't it? It's like a party in your hands. It's got teal colours and oranges, and it's just gorgeous. Look at that. Look at those colours there. So those were the 3 that I chose. They did have lots more, but of course I've never used them before. And I want to see what they're like first. I want to dip my toe into the water cautiously in case there are sharks. But, you know, I just didn't want to go plump for tons and tons of it. I just thought I'd just see how it goes. But I like the bag. Isn't it amazing how you can get all this lovely stuff and you're just intrigued by the bag? But I'm excited about the yarn. Of course, it's yarn and it's also hand-dyed and everything else. But I am dead excited about these. I just love this sheep. I do. It sits on my side with me at all times now, and she is just adorable. Hello. I love her. I really do. And this has got such a lovely kind of lined and sturdy inside that you can get anything in there. I've got my darning needle there. I've got my scissors. I've got a set of darning needles and a hook. I've probably been looking for that hook, you know, not remembering where I put it. So I'm really happy with what I got, and I'm hoping that those knitting needles, you know, make me happy anyway. I will give them a go. They're very strange being square. Never encountered that before. But that's what I got. So give me a little while and these will be uploaded and put into my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk. And, well, thank you for watching. I love those. I love those sheep. I love both of them. When I saw them, first of all, in the shop, I couldn't make my mind up whether to get the upright one or to get that one. But I think that one just called my name, so I got that. But I really did. I want to get the other one as well, but you can't. I can't buy 2, you know. But now I found where they're from, and they can breed. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care for now. Bye for now.